I look pale. I don't like that. I don't like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lay. What's up? If you old, what's poppin'? So in today's video, I'm gonna be using nothing but e.l.f. products on my face, and we're just gonna see what happens with that because I got sensitive skin and I heard e.l.f. got some good cosmetics. I ordered from Ulta, so let's hope I got all the right colors. And for the contour, that's the only thing that's not gonna be from e.l.f. I'm gonna cheat on that a little bit. You feel me? But other than that, this is affordable and we're gonna see what we get. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we started. First things first, I'm gonna start off with the matte putty primer. Oh, it's cute packaging. Matte putty primer. Okay. It smells like lotion. Actually, I kind of like the... I was supposed to mattify my skin. Okay. I don't know if I put too much on, but I look pale. I don't like that. I don't like that. At this moment, I knew this wasn't it. I look like I'm about to cast a shadow or something. But hopefully it gets better over time, right? So next thing I'm gonna do the e.l.f. triangular buffing brush. And I'm gonna use my sponge, which I'm cheating. That's from Sephora, but it's neither here or there. So I got a foundation. I got the color cinnamon. I hope that's accurate, because I mean cinnamon is brown, right? Today. Is it gonna come out? No, there it is. Let me just pray to baby Jesus right now. This may be off. This may be off. Oh my God. I think this buffing brush is not helping the situation. This ain't it. Nope. I am darker than this. Turned up the lighting in my room. Still looks a little off to me. Very off, actually. But we're gonna keep going. It's my fault. It's my fault. So I'm clearly not cinnamon. And this says deep with gold. I'm deep with gold undertones. Am I next? This is why I hate shopping online. This is why I rather go to the store and get it myself. I don't know why I started off with the foundation first. I never do that. I usually do my eyebrows. I just was trying to see if this color was gonna fit. Now that I think about it, it's not that bad. I don't know. We're gonna see. We gonna see. Go back to the eyebrows. That's what I usually do first. So back to this. I'm just ripping up this beautiful packaging. Honestly, guys, I don't blame e.l.f. for this. I blame myself. I blame myself. But I hope everyone's doing well in this quarantine, because to be honest with you, I'm struggling. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I open this. I completely opened it. And this is the color medium brown. Because nobody has black eyebrows. Woo! Fun fact. Then I can't find my e.l.f. duo pencil thingy. My e.l.f., you know, angled brush like this to draw it in. So So I just brush my eyebrows. Brush it. Brush it. I ain't not. I'm playing too much. Brush it. Brush it. Like that. Then it's not even a tutorial. I don't know. I'm just trying to see how this goes for me, guys, you know. I wish we could make actual conversation. Cause yeah, I got people in my house thinking that I'm talking to myself. Low key, you talking to yourself when you're not really talking to yourself, but you know you're talking to yourself. But yeah, so I just, let me see what color. Oh, this is okay. So this is dark brown. Okay, this is dark brown. Cool. Might have to do lighter strokes. Gonna have to go like this. There we go. Okay, Elf. All right. Okay, come through. Oh. Heard the Elf. Period. You about to be competing with my Anastasia dip brow. Okay. Girl, imagine. Outline that. Oop. I'll take my eyelash off. No. Oh man, this video. But yeah, during this quarantine, I don't know about you guys, but I kind of been busy, low-key. You know, I graduated and everything, trying to get my master's now after my bachelor's. But there's too much going on, and I kind of don't like that. I don't like that. I just don't like it. So that's that. We got curfews in the city. I believe the curfew is 9 o'clock, whatever the case may be. But you know, we in the city, so the city don't care. Yeah. And that's that. All my brows is done. Not really. But yeah, we got all that going on right now, sadly. And then we got, you know, the riots going on. I feel like I can make a separate video on that one or just talk about that on my own time, okay? But it's too much going on right now, and I need nothing but positivity in my life. Positivity. We're gonna use this concealer. It's supposed to be 16 hours. Listen, we gonna see. Or we might not, I don't know. I'm just trying to see how this makeup looks. Oh, this is a fat concealer. All right, we just going. And I think, what shade did I get this in? Deep chestnut. And then we're gonna take a concealer brush. I didn't get this one from Elf, but like I said, it be like that. All right, so we're gonna take a concealer brush, a random concealer brush. I really don't care at this point. All right, just gonna, okay. All right, so that's that. There you go. All right, let's go into here now. I don't think I put foundation on my eyelids, guys. If I didn't, I'm really an idiot. And yeah, just in case though. Just in case. I didn't put it on tonight. Alright. Yeah, no, I don't know. Whatever at this point. So yeah, and then we just blend it out or try. I don't even think I'm going above the brow at this point. Okay. That looks okay, right? I don't know. I don't know. All right, so that's that. I don't know how to explain it, but I don't look hydrated. You know what? I'm a sheep right now. Coconut mist, we about to apply now because a girl looking dry, so. Oh, it smells like straight coconut. Well, would you look at that? Now I look hydrated. My eyebrows are a little like dark. But I mean, listen, you ain't gonna look the same with makeup on, baby. What you doing? You're just gonna look more enhanced because you're already beautiful. Let me stop. Let me get back to this makeup and tell y'all about it before y'all be like, she canceled. She's canceled. All right, so next thing I have, go back to the concealer. What was I thinking? Under your eye. And this is just a natural look I'm trying to do because I was already off with the foundation, so we got no choice but to just deal with it. Just live with it. Live with it and deal with it. This would be a cute thumbnail. Nah, let me just shut up. I don't know. I just hope that this comes out looking somewhat decent. Because low-key, I'm going outside. And I don't want to be looking crazy. But that's how that goes, right? So, by the way, earlier when I was spritzing it, it was just water. I wasn't cheating. It said MAC, but ain't no MAC in there. It's just water. I don't really use MAC products like that because it's too cakey for me. But again, I might do a video on all MAC products if they learn how to love yellow undertones. Their eyeshadows is popping, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, back to e.l.f. This is about e.l.f. I feel like I'm talking too much in this video, guys. I'm definitely gonna cut some out, but yeah. Okay, e.l.f. This is looking like it's somewhat getting its life together. Something that I can't do. But we just gonna see about that. Maybe I underestimated you. Maybe I didn't. Not gonna lie. Next is gonna be this HD sheer powder that I've been hearing about. So let's see what's up. And I know this is just me telling y'all about the makeup, me putting it on for the first time, and me having my reactions. You know, I'm just naturally a chill person. Sometimes I'm goofy, but you know, I don't know. I kind of feel like y'all don't know about me really. Y'all just see me do hair or whatever, or color it, or whatever the case may be. Just come up here and do something, but don't really tell you about myself. And I kind of want to know about y'all too. And I'm kind of struggling with this box. Got it. Cool. So the HD powder looks like this. It's white. I'm be honest with you. I'm scared because I used the deep dark from Laura Mercier. Dip it in the powder. I'm playing. Alright, now I'm gonna dip it in the powder. Yo, this smells like baby powder. Alright, I dragged it. No, I didn't. It kind of smells like baby powder. Oh my god, it's getting everywhere. Good thing I got on black. Well, no, that's not a good thing. I don't follow rules. I just never do. And that's just life. Alright, no, I follow rules. Like, I follow the law, obviously, but makeup rules. That's a job. You're your own person when it comes to makeup. If you want to wear baby powder on your face, do it. There. I should do a face mask. I think you want to do a face mask. So we won't let that sit and look like Casper the Friendly Ghost cousin, okay? His cousin, because you know we got melanin. And while that sits, I'm going to contour my face. And this is when I said I'm not using e.l.f. I tried their contour before and I just felt like it was a little orangey for me or whatever the case may be. Whatever the issue was. Can't remember at this point, but I was going to use my Bobbi Brown, but I said let's not do that. Let's try to be at least affordable. And I got this one. This is from the eyebrow kit I'm using from Cherry 3. They cheap anyway. So just gonna, woo! Did you see that? That was a little too much contour right there, girl. But that's how life goes. You gotta snatch them, snatch. Has it been 5 minutes yet? Probably not. It's summertime anyway. Why we gotta wait 5 minutes? I'm not waiting all that time. I'm not waiting all that time. It's a dub. So we're just gonna take this brush I got. This one is the 54047, and the other one before, I forgot to tell y'all, was 85106. So that was the triangular, look at me trying to read, triangular buffing brush, and this one is the pointed powder brush. So I'm assuming that you just wipe this off. So now we're gonna use this. It's supposed to be the Beautiful Bare Sheer Tint Finishing Powder in Dark Deep. That sounds right. I'm dark and deep. This is what it looks like. I'm not gonna underestimate nobody, so.
Wipe it down.
I feel like this makeup kind of made me look lighter than what I really am, low key, but I could be dragging it. It really could just be the lighting. It looked like Jesus is trying to take the wheel right now. Oh, this contour should, you know, calm it down just a little bit. Now, I ain't contour my nose, but I like my button nose. It's really cute, whatever. Just gonna contour it a little bit. I really hope you guys like this video. I feel like I've been rambling off, but you can kind of see the type of person I am now in this video. I can be extra sometimes, not all the time. But let me tell you something, my friends are extra, very extra, extra newspaper, period. Look at that, extra, just like that contour was just very extra, very, so extra. It really snatched my nose, so I kind of want to snatch it back. So yeah, I'm trying to blend it out as best as I can, but if I can't, it is what it is. Okay guys, you feeling it? I'm kind of feeling it. My last thing that I bought from them, by the way, all of this, I think was like $48. I don't know, I'm gonna insert it here or there or down there or somewhere. But yeah, cause I spent like $60 something there, cause yeah, I went and bought me a face mask. I was like, I gotta put this on before I do my elf makeup look, so probably came out to that because yeah, but whatever. I can link what the prices were. And then I got this big highlighter from them that I'm struggling with, and it's like this. You know what it reminds me of? My Mac. Oh, they're like sisters, they're cousins. I'm gonna take this now, and I'm gonna take my fan. You see something? Oh, I see it. Wow, I see it now. Oh, I see it. It take a little bit more work to show up, but you're showing up. But no. Yeah, so for the lips, I would use this elf lip pumper, but I ran out. So look, it's gone. It is gone. It's gone. So we just gonna use ColourPop as a substitute. But that's the only thing we substituted besides the so that's our look completed. One more time, because this smells good. Ooh, you know what you feel like? I feel like with this look, oh my god, because I'm not used to this orange yet, but I feel like, you know, when he was saying Poison Ivy, the black Poison Ivy, because you know I got melanin. I feel like, honestly, if I got a darker foundation, I would be happy, but it's whatever, you know. But this is how it came out. I don't blame them, I blame me. But anyway, enjoy your life, guys. I hope you do better, especially during this quarantine. And don't forget to love yourself. And that's on period. I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out of here.